but I'm just starting it in the back half. Okay, so I like to take a nice clean little section and I divide it in 3. So just like we did with the off the scalp, we're bringing one piece to the middle and then the other side to the middle. Now, I've got to bring this back, but before I do, I'm going to add some hair to that section and it becomes my new middle piece. Now this has got to go to the middle, so I'm going to add some hair to this section before bringing it to the middle. So it's the exact same step, but before putting the section on the right into the middle, we're going to add some hair to it. Okay. I try to hold one section in my hand, the other section between my index and middle, and then the section I'm going to bring over between my index and thumb. I grab a new section of hair, add it to that piece, and then I come underneath and I grab my section of hair. And that's just the way I do it. Doesn't necessarily mean that that's the only way to do it. You figure out how it's comfortable in your hands. Just like with the 2-strand or the fishtail, once you reach the occipital, you want to push the head forward so that it stays close, okay? And try to keep it as tight as you can.
Mm-hmm.
When you've run out of hair, which I'm going to do in a minute, when you run out of hair, you just continue as an off scalp braid till you reach the bottom. Go down as low as you want to go. And I don't have an elastic. Can you pass me an elastic, please, G? Thank you. And then you tie off the bottom.
Yeah. No, this is not the French braid.
This is